Welcome back. Okay, this is our weekly update number 4. And we are April 26th today, so last Sunday, now we're back a week later. What's going on? Things are just growing, so just trying to keep an eye, make sure right now I'm kind of on high alert for any indications of diseases and things like that. It's a really condensed growing space, so yeah, I'm always worried about that, the lack of air circulation, that kind of thing. Here are the tomatoes we've been watching that started out in the egg cartons, and those are putting on some bulk now, so I'm expecting tomatoes from those. These are some of our strays. We got a flower. This is the compost cantaloupe. So we got 3 of those, and so they should be able to pollinate one another once they're outside and have some wind. And our stray lettuce is growing away. Peas. Blue flax over here. This is a perennial. Yeah, red solo cups because that's what I've got available. And that's not ideal either, right? So that also, the pots will affect the root development to some extent, I think. Peppers here, cool. I'll show you some. Look at that. Those are flower buds. And most all the peppers have them. They're just at different stages. Watermelons, Miss Verona. And yeah, the onions, they're getting a little droopy. Again, I had them outside for a little bit, just not a lot of turgidity. A little bit of necrosis going on the peppers, but just trying to up the feeding right now to kind of counteract some of that stuff. But I have to be careful because, yeah, not to bring on other problems. Down here we got zinnias. This is my tomato, bigger one. Yeah. And the basil. Oh, it smells so nice. Basil. And we got Brussels sprouts, and look at all that beautiful kale there. So things are coming along pretty good. Most of it's doing pretty good. Like I said, I'm just, like this next month's going to be kind of tricky to make sure I keep everything happy. So one of the things I was going to show you, I think, if you look on this stem here, there's like that black right down there. And that's a zinnia, so I'm not surprised it's on there, but that matches up with the poor state of these little yellow pear-shaped tomatoes. So from what I've gathered, this is tomato pith necrosis, I think, because what it's doing is it's hollowing out the stems right here and then choking off the rest of the plant. So all these poor little guys here pretty much are infected. It's a bacterial, soil bacteria. So basically it's a result of I think the seedlings got too wet and it just stressed the plant. And I don't seem to have a problem with the other plants, but even if these do grow, they're not going to produce much fruit. They're going to grow really slow, so they're just going to take up room in the garden. So I don't think you'll see these poor little guys again. My son does have a couple, and they came back, but I think it's too late for these. I may give them another day, and not worth the time. Cucumbers, take a look at that. Now, these guys want space. Their leaves need some room, so I'm going to have to figure that out over the next couple of days. Last thing I'll show you. So, we did try to grow an avocado. Okay, here it is. Tried to grow an avocado in health science, and I watched some videos on it after, and what I learned was that the germination rate of avocados is not super high. So some are dead, some don't work. So I'm trying this other one. I know generally what you do is you put the toothpicks and hang it in the water, and so, but I'm going to try this way because I just, the water gets yucky. So that's what's going on here. Things are starting to change again. I guess we're on maybe moving into some changes again. Probably going to have to keep isolating for quite a while yet. Take care. Keep yourselves healthy and moving. And moving brain's good. Good, good, good. Try to get outside if you can. Yeah, be safe. Take care. And I'll probably be back this week to show you sort of the start of the raised beds and what they look like. So, yeah, take care.